How to use moringa leaves for high blood pressure. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a common health condition affecting millions of people around the world. Many people look for natural ways to support their health, and one plant that has received a lot of attention is Moringa oleifera. Often called the miracle tree, moringa leaves are packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and natural compounds that may help support heart health and maintain healthy blood pressure levels. In this video, I will teach you simple ways to use moringa leaves to support your body naturally. First, let's briefly understand why moringa leaves are helpful. Moringa leaves contain potassium, magnesium, and powerful antioxidants. These nutrients help the body relax blood vessels, improve blood circulation, and reduce stress on the heart. When blood vessels relax, blood flows more easily, which can help support healthy blood pressure. Now, let's look at the first simple method you can use. The first method is moringa leaf tea. To prepare moringa tea, you need a handful of fresh moringa leaves or 1 tablespoon of dried moringa leaves. Wash the fresh leaves thoroughly to remove any dust. Boil about 2 cups of clean water. Once the water starts boiling, add the moringa leaves and allow them to simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. After that, turn off the heat and allow the tea to cool slightly. Strain the leaves and pour the tea into a cup. If you want, you can add a little honey for taste. Drink 1 cup of moringa tea in the morning and another in the evening. Many people use this method regularly to support healthy blood pressure and improve overall wellness. The second method is moringa leaf powder. Moringa powder is made from dried moringa leaves that are ground into a fine powder. This powder is very concentrated and easy to use. You can take half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of moringa powder and mix it into warm water. Stir it well and drink it once a day, preferably in the morning before breakfast. Another way to use moringa powder is to add it to smoothies, soups, or even sprinkle a small amount into your food. This allows you to receive the nutritional benefits of moringa throughout the day. The third method is moringa leaf infusion. This method is similar to tea but slightly stronger. Take a handful of fresh moringa leaves and place them in a cup or small pot. Pour hot water over the leaves and cover the cup. Let the leaves steep for about 10 minutes. During this time, the nutrients from the leaves slowly enter the water. After 10 minutes, strain the liquid and drink it while it is still warm. Some people prefer drinking this infusion once daily as part of their natural health routine. Another helpful practice is adding moringa leaves to your daily meals. Fresh moringa leaves can be added to soups, stews, sauces, and vegetable dishes. In many parts of the world, moringa leaves are cooked like spinach or other leafy greens. When eaten regularly, these leaves supply the body with essential nutrients that help support the heart, improve circulation, and strengthen the immune system. It is also important to combine moringa with healthy lifestyle habits. Natural remedies work best when they are part of a balanced lifestyle. Reducing too much salt intake, drinking enough water, exercising regularly, and managing stress are all important steps for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Moringa leaves can be a supportive natural addition, but they should not replace medical advice or prescribed treatment from a healthcare professional. If you are already taking medication for blood pressure, it is wise to consult a healthcare professional before adding herbal remedies to your routine. Another important tip is moderation. Even natural herbs should be used responsibly. Start with small amounts and observe how your body responds. Many people around the world value moringa because it is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, along with minerals like calcium and iron. These nutrients help protect the body from oxidative stress and support overall heart health. Over time, consistent use of moringa leaves, combined with healthy habits, may help support balanced blood pressure and improve general well-being. Nature has provided many plants with beneficial properties, and moringa is one of those plants that has been traditionally valued for its nutritional and herbal support. If used wisely and consistently, moringa leaves can become a simple part of a daily routine that promotes better health. Remember, natural health is not about quick fixes. It is about building healthy habits every day. And sometimes, the simplest plants growing around us can offer powerful support for our bodies. If you found this information helpful, Remember to subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone who may also benefit from learning about natural herbs. Stay tuned for more herbal knowledge and natural health tips in our next video.